Have you ever thought that what you eat during pregnancy can affect your baby's IQ, memory, and even emotional health? That's right. A mom's diet doesn't just feed her body, it also fuels her baby's developing brain. In pregnancy, especially in the early months, a baby's brain is growing fast. And during this time, certain nutrients really matter. They help build brain cells, strengthen connections, and even protect the baby's nervous system. In this video, we'll show you 5 powerful foods that boost your baby's brain development while you're still pregnant. And the best part? These foods are simple, tasty, and easy to add to your daily meals. So if you're expecting, or know someone who is, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. This kind of information can shape a baby's future, and it all starts with what's on your plate. Let's find out which foods really make a difference. A baby's brain starts forming very early, around the 3rd week of pregnancy. That's when the neural tube begins to form, which later becomes the brain and spinal cord. This means that the first few months of pregnancy are key for brain development. During the first trimester, the baby's brain starts building its basic structure. In the 2nd trimester, the brain grows rapidly. Neurons multiply and connections, called synapses, begin to form. By the 3rd trimester, the brain begins to look more like a newborn's, gaining weight and preparing to function outside the womb. This fast growth needs a lot of specific nutrients like folic acid, choline, iron, iodine, and especially healthy fats like omega-3. These help build brain cells, carry oxygen, and improve how brain cells talk to each other. So, what a mom eats directly affects how her baby's brain develops. A healthy, balanced diet full of brain-boosting nutrients can help with your baby's thinking, learning, and even behavior later in life. Eating well during pregnancy isn't just about your health. It's about shaping your child's future from the very beginning. Eggs are a real superfood for pregnant women, especially when it comes to your baby's brain development. They're one of the best natural sources of choline, a key nutrient that helps build your baby's brain and spinal cord. Choline helps build the membranes around brain cells and supports the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that let brain cells communicate. Research shows that getting enough choline during pregnancy can improve your baby's brain function and even lower the risk of learning or memory problems later on. Besides choline, eggs also give you high-quality protein, vitamin B12, selenium, and a bit of DHA, a brain-boosting omega-3 fat. But here's an important tip. Always eat eggs fully cooked during pregnancy to avoid any risk of salmonella. Skip raw or runny eggs. 1 or 2 eggs per day is a great way to get their full benefits. Easy tip, scramble eggs for breakfast. Make an omelet with veggies, or slice up a boiled egg for a healthy snack with olive oil and herbs. It's nutritious, simple, and delicious. Eggs are a real superfood for pregnant women, especially when it comes to your baby's brain development. They're one of the best natural sources of choline, a key nutrient that helps build your baby's brain and spinal cord. Choline helps build the membranes around brain cells and supports the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that let brain cells communicate. Research shows that getting enough choline during pregnancy can improve your baby's brain function and even lower the risk of learning or memory problems later on. Besides choline, eggs also give you high-quality protein, vitamin B12, selenium, and a bit of DHA, a brain-boosting omega-3 fat. But here's an important tip. Always eat eggs fully cooked during pregnancy to avoid any risk of salmonella. Skip raw or runny eggs. 1 or 2 eggs per day is a great way to get their full benefits. Easy tip. Scramble eggs for breakfast, make an omelet with veggies, or slice up a boiled egg for a healthy snack with olive oil and herbs. It's nutritious, simple, and delicious. If there's one nutrient your baby's brain really needs during pregnancy, it's omega-3, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. The best natural source of DHA is fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and anchovies. DHA is a special kind of fat that helps build your baby's brain cells and supports strong brain connections. Fun fact, about 60% of the human brain is made of the fat, and DHA is a big part of it. Getting enough omega-3 during pregnancy is linked to better brain, vision, and motor development in babies. Research shows that moms who eat omega-3 rich fish regularly often have children who do better in memory and learning tests. DHA also helps reduce the chance of early labor and can improve mom's mood, lowering the risk of postpartum depression. But be careful with your fish choices. Avoid fish high in mercury like king mackerel, swordfish, or shark. Go for safe. Cold water fish like wild salmon, light tuna in small amounts, sardines, and anchovies. Experts say it's safe to eat up to 2 servings of omega-3 rich fish per week. If you prefer supplements, ask your doctor first. Quick tip: bake salmon with herbs, toss sardines into a salad, or mix anchovies into homemade sauces. Just make sure this brain-boosting nutrient is part of your diet. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and broccoli are great for pregnant women. They're packed with folic acid, vitamin B9, which is key for building the neural tube, the part of the baby that turns into the brain and spinal cord. Folic acid helps with cell growth and brain development. Not getting enough in early pregnancy can lead to serious problems like spina bifida. That's why women trying to get pregnant, and those already pregnant, need a good daily dose of folic acid. These greens also give you iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. All of these help support mom's health and protect the baby's brain from inflammation and cell damage. Eat them raw or lightly steamed to keep the nutrients. Just 1 serving a day can make a big difference. Quick tip: toss leafy greens in salads. Add them to green smoothies, or lightly sauté them with garlic. Just keep mixing them into your meals. Avocados are one of the most complete and nutritious fruits for pregnant women, especially when it comes to fueling your baby's brain development. They're rich in healthy fats, monounsaturated, which help build brain cell membranes and improve how nutrients reach the baby's brain. Avocados also give you folic acid, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These nutrients fight inflammation, protect brain cells from damage, and support both mom and baby's immune system. One special thing about avocado is its lutein, an antioxidant that builds up in the baby's brain and helps with memory and learning later in life. It's easy to add to your meals. Spread it on whole grain toast for breakfast, add to salads, blend into smoothies, or eat it plain with lemon and a pinch of salt. Avocados also help with fullness and blood sugar control, both important during pregnancy. Quick tip: half an avocado a day gives you a solid dose of nutrients without too many calories. It's tasty, simple, and super good for your baby's berries. Like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are small fruits with big brain benefits. They're packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and flavonoids, which help protect developing brain cells from damage. During a whole pregnancy, a mom's body goes through lots of changes and natural inflammation. Antioxidants help balance that out and create a healthier space for the baby to grow. Berries also fight inflammation and support your immune system. Bonus: they're high in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, both important for a healthy pregnancy and baby development. Berries are super easy to eat daily. Mix with plain yogurt, add to smoothies, sprinkle on oatmeal, or eat as a fresh snack. And they taste great too. Quick tip: choose fresh or frozen berries with no added sugar. Just 1 serving a day brings great benefits for both you and your baby. Every meal during pregnancy is a chance to feed your baby's growing brain and help shape a smarter, healthier future. What you eat today makes a real difference tomorrow. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which of these foods do you eat most during pregnancy? And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or nutritionist for guidance that's right for you.